we're creating neon graffiti text that looks painted on a brick wall. Start with a grungy wall background. Type your text using a bold graffiti-styled font. Add an outer glow in neon colors like electric blue or hot pink. Then duplicate the text layer and rasterize it. Use brushes with splatter textures to erase bits of the letters, creating a sprayed look. Add a blurred glow behind the text for illumination. Apply a slight perspective warp so the graffiti sits naturally on the wall surface. Finish with soft light leaks for urban atmosphere. This bold style works great for music promos or street-themed designs.